Hey lovelies, I know y'all used to seeing my intro, but I just want to put a disclaimer out there for you guys that I will be talking in this review, but I will be inserting clips of what I'm talking about in this review. So you're not just seeing my lovely face throughout the whole review, you're actually seeing clips of what I'm talking, so you can get a visual of what I'm talking about. Hey lovelies, so I'm back with another video and I hope you guys miss me. Yes, I have been busy and I know you lovelies do not particularly like hair reviews. I just noticed that from the views that I get on particular hair review videos, but I keep making them because I love hair reviews. And let's get something clear real quick. I paid for all of the hair that I did in previous hair reviews, so the hair that I do not pay for, I still give my honest opinion about, or I do not make a video at all. I could definitely pull up receipts of hair companies that I email them back and be like, I cannot do this review. I will be sending you back this hair. So let's continue. And I love making hair reviews on hair that I actually like. If I don't like the hair, you will not see it posted on my channel. If I think the hair is bomb, there will be a video on my channel about how bomb the hair is. Now, if I think it's absolutely trash, the customer service was really bad and all of that sorts, there will be a video because I would not want you to go to that company. So I'm here to give you a review on this hair because I love it. Yo, I love it. Like, I'm about to get into this, but I didn't even finish my intro. So anyways, let's get into it then. I guess this is going to be an initial and updated review. And then in another video, I'm going to show you how I got this bomb hairstyle. So let's get into the specs of the hair. I have in 3 bundles. This is Nadula's Brazilian Deep Wave hair. I have in 3 bundles and a closure. I have in a 12-inch, a 14-inch, and a 16-inch bundles and a 10-inch closure. So my closure sits here. My bundles, I made this into a wig. Now, I also have added highlights to the hair, as you can tell. It starts off burgundy and it works its way down to being blonde. If you also want to see how I did this, let me know in the comments below and like this video. So let's get into the pros and the cons like I usually do. We're not going to try to make this video too long because that's what y'all here for, right? Now, so I wrote a list of pros and cons, so let's get into it. Over the time of me wearing it, this is what I have experienced with the hair. Pros: the hair is soft. It's like ultra soft. Run your fingers through it. You know, hair that is soft after you wash and detangle it, but it takes forever to wash and detangle it before it gets soft, and then you still need to put product in it to keep it soft. This is not that hair. This hair is soft without product. Like, this is soft. This is 3-day-old hair. This is 3-day-old hair. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't even spray water in it. When I took it out of the packaging, there was no process or heat type of smell to it. It didn't have any stink smell to it. Like some hair that I take out of the package, it smells like they flat ironed it and then wet it. That's the type of smell that I get from it. But this one, no. It's easy to bleach, as you can see. There's no tangles whatsoever. I can run my hairs right through it and I got no shedding. Like, I get no shedding. There's barely any shedding. You don't need any product to keep the curl of the wave. The hair is full from the ends to the tip. You can wash and detangle this very easily without like spending a whole half an hour trying to wash and detangle the hair. It do not tangle up at the nape. I guess that's my favorite part about this hair, because I hate hair that just bunch up and tangle up at the nape because it sits there right on your neck. So it's bound to happen. Even your natural hair will do that at times, but this does not. So I'm dumb hype about that. After bleaching, it still held up its wave, as you can see. This hair reminds me of like a curly hair as well. Like, it's curly and wavy type-ish. You get a lot of hair. You get a lot of hair. And the reason why I'm mentioning this is because when I first opened up the package, the bundles look smaller than what I'm used to for 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch. Usually the bundles are really fat. So I was kind of skeptical, but you do get a lot of hair. You get a lot of hair. I only had like this much hair left that I didn't use. So it's nice and flowy. Like in the wind, you know how sometimes, especially like curly hair, sometimes it locks together and is stiff, so when the wind blows it really doesn't do much. But my hair blows in the wind, like whoop whoop. This is definitely, to me, spring and summer hair. Well, I wear curly hair throughout all seasons: winter, summer, fall, spring, I don't care. This is more like beach hair to me, like summer vibes. I get summer vibes from this hair. So you can do what you want, because you know it's fall right now and I'm wearing this hair, so you can do what you want. It does take heat well, and it does re-wave back up, so that applies for those that want a versatile hair, something that looks wavy, curly, and they can wear it straight. This is your hair. And the closure is nice and full, and it's definitely easy to customize, as you see. Now mine's is a little I got a little bleeding going on, so it's not as flawless as I wanted it to be. But I was rushing, and in the video you could tell that I'm rushing because my little boy, my baby, he's no joke, and if I don't do what I gotta do fast, it will never get done. So when I do stuff, I gotta knock it out before he wakes up. I gotta move quick. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can make your closure look like a frontal. Anyways, let's go into the cons. I have 4 cons. So let's get into the cons. The closure sheds more than I would like. Like, it doesn't, like, I'm out walking and I'm finding hair. It's usually when I mess with it, the closure do shed. And I guess, and the closure was shedding before I bleached the knots or did anything to it, so the closure sheds. But closures are going to shed. Pretty much they're crocheted and knotted in, so there's chances that you're gonna get a lot more shedding from your closure than you are from your bundles. Just wanted to put that out there. But excessive shedding is bad. I do not get excessive shedding with this. It just sheds more than I would like, and I don't like shedding. So it doesn't really take color well. Like, it takes bleach well, but as far as like permanent color, but didn't take it well. Like this burgundy was supposed to be a lot brighter. Well, I mean, the lace did, of course. Look at how well the lace took it, but the hair didn't. So it's supposed to be a lot brighter, and it's not. I also didn't like that the hair wasn't like all cutesified with ribbons and bows and stuff like that, because I like to save those things. But if I wasn't the type, like in the beginning when I first started getting hair, I didn't care about those things. So if you don't care about those things and your main focus is what you pay for the hair, then that's not really a con. But for me, I like to save those things, so it was a con that it wasn't all dressed up and fancy like I would have liked it to be. And that's for the packaging. The closure, compared to the bundles, the closure do need product to keep its wave, and I noticed after I bleached the closure, that's why it needs product. Before I bleached the closure, it didn't really need product to keep its wave, to blend in with the bundles, but not a lot. I used mousse, and I mean, I used a little bit of mousse. Y'all saw to, well, y'all didn't get to see it yet, but to rub it into the hair. That's it. I love it. I feel like it's a nice length, the length that I got. This is hair that you can sew in. Like, you could get a sew in with this hair. This is not make a wig with this hair. This is sew in hair. You heard it from me. That's how nice it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you purchase the hair. Links and stuff like that will be below for this hair. I got it off of Amazon. Nadula off of Amazon. So, you know, check it out, guys. Check it out. Until next time, lovelies. Later.